plane, and this is what you should start with. And look at the drawing. Look at this drawing in the front view, this drawing right here, right? You have all the information right here. This length right here of this line right here is total 5.5 inches. Then we have an angle of this line here. Then we have 90 degree here, right? And then we have this distance right here, offset that, offset this, and then we have all the dimensions for this, your boss over here, right? Everything is right here. So just draw this on the front plane at Z0. The front plane at Z0, just draw this point, right? So this is right on the, if you look from the right plane, look at this, it's right on y-axis right here, right? So now when we're gonna extrude that, we're gonna extrude and extend into both directions. Into both directions. So what's the width of this part? If you look at it, the length is 5.5, right?
2.5.
And the width is 2.5. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
The depth I mean, right? So it's right in the middle. So how much we have to extend or add both sides? Total is 2.5. We have to go 1 1/4, right? So that's where you start. So you're gonna go, if I'm gonna go and say solid, I want to extrude that. I'm gonna extrude this chin right here. Make sure you break this here before you do that, okay? Because you need to extrude this one later on. Okay, here we go. And there we go. And I'm gonna say I want to go distance 1.25 both directions. Look at that. All right?
Yes.
So basically you start from here and then you go and use this as a boss, say okay. And now I can go ahead and add this as a boss also. Look at that, at the same direction. I mean, this is not right. This is going to be how much, man? There should be 1 1/8 radius. Is that right? No, 3/4 radius. 3/4 radius. 0.3750 on each side, if I'm not wrong. Or 750, right? Here we go. Yes, and then you can boss this also, and you can boss this also. So basically when you do this, you can boss this, you can boss that, and then you can use this one, this circle for a through hole. I'm just giving you the steps that how you can proceed. Right? And so start from there, and the rest is gonna be, you guys can do it. So now, after you're done with that, then use this as your construction plane, this face right here, right guys?
Yeah.
This is the top one, it's gonna be my construction plane, and on that construction plane, you're gonna have your geometry, which is gonna be your counter bore and holes like that. So I'm gonna show you the level and look at that. On that plane right here, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna drill a through hole through this, you're gonna do this counter bore, and you're gonna do this, your extrude cut through from this here. And you want to go and cut a body. Let's say I want to cut a body through all, that will cut that right there. So you have to select this solid body as a plane, you have to select this as a plane, and that's where you're gonna draw your holes and stuff like that. Look at that right there, the side plane. So you're gonna use this hose to drill a hole, and this on this plane, you're gonna use this rectangle, and then you can cut that also. So go to extrude. Make sure you break this before you do that. So this one right here. Is okay? It's okay, and you're gonna cut a body to the wall. Like this, look at that. And then you can use this one here and make a hole. Don't go through hole, it's gonna cut a hole over the bottom too. See that guy?
Yes.
So don't go through, just put some distance. Distance half an inch, no, maybe 0.750. There you go, that's all you want. Don't sit through hole, because it's gonna make a hole over here too. And this is gonna be your counter bore, the depth of your counter bore. So pick this one here, the depth of the counter bore. Again, I'm gonna say cut a body, not this than 750. I think it's 250 or 750, I don't know. You guys can check. So that's gonna be that. And then you will be selecting this guy over here. Cut a body through all. That will cut this side right there, look at that. And then you're gonna use these two and cut a hole. There you go. And then make your fillets over here on this corner. There's a fillet here, fillet down here. That's is gonna be your drawing. So basically you have to start with we'll delete that column. You have to start with this. We'll delete that from it. Now we'll delete this from it. So you're going to start with the front view with this drawing. And then start extruding in both directions, drop this in. And if you look at the solid, guys, it is like this. So I'll show you one step at a time how you can extrude. You start with this, extrude that one first. Then extrude your boss, this guy over here. Then extrude another cut. What is that cut? Oh, that cut is hole. Make sure you go from top bottom. Look at that hole right there. There's another cut. Another hole right here in the center. And then you're going to go fillet. When you do the fillet, just pick these corners and you can create a fillet. And pick another fillet right here, look at that. Next to boss. You're going to do this little boss, this guy right here, 1/8. And then you can do another boss on this side right here with the same, with this arc over here. The next is cut. You can cut that hole with this circle. This one cut hole and hole on this one right there, 2 holes. So these holes on the top right here, guys, you're cutting from this geometry right here, this time. And you're cutting in this direction, going up. Change the direction and cut the same thing. That hole is right here, is doing this guy right here. And then you're coming, to cut this one right here, the counter board, and it's to cut this guy over here. Turn the drawing on also so you guys can see it. And then you go to cut this guy over here, like I said. So this rectangle you're going to draw, make sure you create a solid plane on this surface right here where you see these 2 holes. Create a solid plane here, and to do this counter bore and hole, create a solid plane on this. Go down and cut, so cut that, so cut that hole, cut that hole, and there comes your fillet on the corners. These are fillets on the corners, and there's another fillet right here. On this, all around tangent, and on the bottom right here. Look at those are the fillets right there, one shot. You do all the fillets. And if go down here, the last is yours. That fillet right there. This is this guy. 125 fillet at the bottom right there. Yeah. Both sides. Both fillets right there. And this fillet is this, and those are 125. So this is, I give you more than information I supposed to. I pretty much make the whole drawing for you. But after this, there's a final drawing coming. Final, this is the last drawing, but not final. That one, I'm not gonna give you any hint. I'll give you a whole week to finish that. That's coming up after this on our Thursday night class. I'll just give you the blueprint and I'm gonna keep my mouth shut.
Promise?
That's a hard one.